get back in the house. Get back in the house, now. Go. Hey, he jumped out of the car and he ran in her backyard.
State has a mohawk, has like a tomahawk. You should put the fish symbol, a little fish symbol. Thank you for that. That's a creative guy work.
Right in the middle of his head, like.
Well, damn.
Lifted the mat to 200 meters, looked carefully for any sign of a serpent, and then dropped the mat down to a hover 5 meters above the grass. Carefully, he extracted the rope, made a loop, carpet, and wound several lengths around the carpet, leaving enough slack to...
Looked like it was for me.
He sent her that ring.
I never sent her a ring at all.
When Lorna opened the envelope, we had the name on it.
Jesus.
He did send that to her grandma.
I never sent her a
God
ring.
damn.
You okay? Just taking a moment to the car. Rejoin it. That's set up on the night after we got lucky over it. I'm checking the sheets covered. The other around the other side of the bed. I will be. When they find Laura, Jason said. You love her a lot, huh? Obviously. She's my whole world. Jason managed to say. And then leaned back into the pillow.
It's not worth it. Oh, God. Nice. Let's hear it. The woman's coming out of her car now.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my God.
Police confirmed 9/10 to the mile ahead on US 101 North, 4 minutes ago. 4 thumbs up. Police confirmed 9/10 to the mile ahead on US 101 North, 2 minutes ago. 3 thumbs up. Police confirmed 9/10 to the mile ahead on US 101 South, 7 minutes ago. 3 thumbs up. There are police reported.
Brushing off what the rest of the country and the world are watching in the financial markets, defending his own really his trade policy yesterday that reshaped the global economy, or has the.
I'll be sharing even more personal stories with you guys. And I know a lot of people are gonna attack me. Why are you gonna go visit your dad? Your mom wouldn't be okay with it. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I know my mother. And I know my mom.
You got a stop sign! I'm looking for you. Watch where the f you're going, you stupid f you bitch!
They just typed to Zach saying, head there in about 5 or 10. Oh, cops gonna get that person.
Who?
Right here, this guy right here.
What do you do?
He like cut it off.
He what?
My ass looks stuck.
He what?
He went around the person to make a right turn.
Damn.
What the f? Holy sh! Bro!